Okay, now guess what I'm going to do because my phone's at 2%. It's making me upset. I don't like these setup questions. They are annoying as heck. I should not even be asking my dad the question. I should be on my phone playing. But what if the phone dies? I can't play on my phone when it's dead. Well, think about it how my dad did not get me a laptop for my birthday. I hate that shit. I should get a laptop for my birthday. And if I don't get any Christmas presents this year, he disciplines me. I don't get Christmas presents this year. That could be the reason why that you had this virus and you had it malfunctioning in the first place. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm now going to install a water heater game. Shh. There, I just put that in. Okay. Now I am in the basement, so I'm gonna try to do something here. Wait, nobody look at this. I'm about to pretend something here, so let's do this. This is the hot water tank, and there I'm turning the knob. So, ow. Ow. Yes, that's hot. Ow. 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 That really hurts. Okay. Okay. Just feel upset. I just want to do something right now to do what I just gotta do so I can light the pilot to that main gas burner. So here we go. Here we go. go somewhere else. Try to light another one. Okay. Shit, we'll try that again. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. I smell gas.